In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Figma email designs into Klaviyo. Start by heading to your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're in, go to the main navigation and click Content. This is where Klaviyo keeps everything related to your email's look and feel. Inside Content, choose Templates. Templates let you reuse your design across campaigns and flows without rebuilding from scratch. Now, click Import. You'll see two ways to bring your Figma design into Klaviyo, and I'll walk you through both. The first option is Upload HTML file. Choose that if you already exported your Figma design to an HTML file. Give your template a clear name so you can find it later. Next, upload the HTML. You can drag and drop your file into the upload area or click to select it from your computer. If you see a checkbox asking whether this template will be used for triggered emails that are not marketing related, only check it if the template is purely transactional, like order confirmations or password resets. Leaving it unchecked is right for promotional and marketing emails. If you're using the file picker, click Select File and choose your HTML file. When it's attached, click Import Template to bring it into your Klaviyo account. Klaviyo will process the file and create a reusable template based on your HTML. The second option is Paste HTML. This is handy if you copied the HTML directly from your design handoff or a code export. Click Paste HTML, enter your template name, and paste your full HTML into the editor. Then click Import Template to finish. A few tips as you import. From Figma, make sure your design export includes proper image links or hosted image URLs. If your HTML references local files on your computer, those won't load in inboxes, so host images and update the paths before importing. Keep styling inline or embedded in the HTML, since many email clients ignore external style sheets. Also, double-check the structure for mobile responsiveness. Figma designs are often desktop first, so confirm your HTML includes responsive styles. If your email is transactional, remember that checkbox we discussed. Use it only for non-marketing triggered messages to keep everything compliant. That's it. You've navigated to content, opened templates, used import, and either uploaded your HTML file or pasted it directly. With your template in Klaviyo, you're ready to use it in campaigns or flows and maintain consistent branding from your original Figma design.